Hello, this is Jeannie from Accounting Genie based here in Yorkshire. I hope you're well. If you watched my first video on making tax digital and the changes that are coming, this is a great video for you to watch now. It explains the 3 services that Accounting Genie is going to offer to help you. Let's have a recap of what is changing. From April 26, if you are a landlord or a sole trader, you'll need to comply with the Making Tax Digital rules. You'll need to keep your records on software, and you'll need to submit 4 mini tax returns every quarter and then a final tax return. Some people will find this easy, some people will be underconfident but might be okay after a while, and some people will just hate the idea of it. That's why Accounting Genie has 3 different service levels that will help you with this. First of all, there is the DIY, then there's the training plus check and send, and then finally there's the fully serviced package. So what does the DIY package look like? You'll already be quite confident with computers. You'll be able to choose your own accounting package, pay for it yourself, link your bank account, deal with the transactions and submit the quarterly tax returns. At the end of the year, I'll still perform the final tax return, very similar to how we already work. So what does the training and check and send package look like? I will help you choose which accounting software suits you best. I will train you on how to use it, then you'll go away and you'll use it every quarter to deal with all the transactions. And then I will do a check and send service to make sure what you send to HMRC is correct. I predict you'll only need about 4 of these check and send services before you then move on to the DIY package. Then of course I'll complete your annual tax return. So what does the fully serviced package look like? Well, for some clients, the idea of using software and computers and the time that it will take sounds horrible, and you'll opt for me doing all of that for you. So what will happen is I will use some software to record all your bank transactions, and I will do all the bookkeeping and submit that on a quarterly basis to HMRC, and then I'll also do your final tax return as normal. A quick note about banks and bank statements. You'll need a dedicated bank account with only business transactions going through that account, and also you'll need to provide bank statements in a certain format, i.e. the CSV format that you might have heard of before, so you need to keep those passwords and ID logins for your bank account very safe. Tax is changing from April 2026. If you're a sole trader or a landlord, you need to comply with the Making Tax Digital rules. Accounting Genie has 3 different packages to help you with this. Firstly, we've got the DIY package, then we've got the training and check and send package, and then finally we've got the fully serviced package. Accounting Genie will be reaching out to existing clients to find out which service level they require. In the coming months, I'll be doing some training videos on different softwares. So like and follow to make sure you're made aware of any new videos. Bye for now.